Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope everyone well. Today I am going to show you how you can remove dialog box from your APK. Suppose you install any APK, they are showing dialog box or asking for key. You can easily remove this and use these apps. So let's go. So you have to install one APK, name is npatch. You can see here. Okay, first of all we have to watch the our login page, how is show and who are asking from us. You can see here the dialog asking for a key, but we don't have key. But don't worry, I have the solution about this. So let's go start and do it. Okay, first of all we have to open our np manager and patch manager it's called, and click here plus icon and select apk from storage, and you have to select apk from what you want to remove dialog box. Select this apk and make sure you are selecting the correct apk. Okay, after that you can see here the one option integrated. Click here, just one click, enable modules and select apk. So you can see the dialog remove apk. I have this. Okay, I'll be going to give it in my telegram channel, you can download from there. And now I start patch. So wait a few times. After that you can see our apk successfully done, and we have to install it manually. So open empty manager, and while you give the permission to these apps, it will be going to save your apk there. And now install it and uninstall Farbius apps. Okay, don't worry, our app will be going to work, you will be enjoy. I'll be public this apk in my channel, don't worry, you can use it easily free. Now launch it. Okay guys, you can see our dialog box is removed permanently, there is nothing showy. So you can see the apps working perfectly. I hope you enjoy this video, and always stay with us, subscribe and like, because if you are guys support me, then I can inspire to make more videos and help you all the time. So enjoy, and if you have any problem, just text in telegram. When I free, I'll be help you. Oh, this is nice front. Okay, it's good. Thank you. I hope everyone enjoy that and have a good day. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.